Hello everyone, how are you today? Wish you all happy रक्षाबंधन। हम लोगों ने पिछले लेक्चर में देखा प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट में हम लोगों ने देखा वी हैव टू कंपेयर द गिवन इक्वेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू the standard form or general form of the quadratic equation and then find out the value of a, b, c. Now we are solving the quadratic equation by using a formula method. Here we have given the question number third. In this question we have given 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equals to 0. So therefore first of all write the given equation. If it is a general form, so write as it is 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equals to 0. Then compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get what we get? We get the values of a, b, c. So value of a is equals to 3, value of b is equals to 2 and value of c is equals to minus 7. Therefore next one we know that the formula for finding the value of variable or roots of the variable. Now here we are using a variable m. So here we can write m is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay. So then next m is equals to, now here minus b, the value of b is a 2. So this will be minus 2 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. b square, so it will be 2 square minus 4. Value of a is a 3 and value of c is a minus 7 whole divided by 2 multiplied by value of a is a 3. Then next one m is equals to minus 2 as it is plus minus under root 2 square, that is a 4. Okay, now here 3 into minus 7, 3 into 7 21, 3 into minus 7 minus 21, minus 21 multiplied by minus 4, answer will be minus 21 multiplied by 4. Yeah, just we can say that 21 into 4, answer is 84. Minus minus dono bhi, this is also negative, and the 3 into minus 7, that is minus 21, both are the negative. So answer will be plus 84. Sorry, 4 into 21. So answer will be 84 plus 84 whole divided by 2 into 3. Answer is 6. The next one, therefore m is equals to plus minus, sorry, this is a minus 2 plus minus as it is under root 4 plus 84, answer is 88 whole divided by 6. Then next one m is equals to minus 2 plus minus. Now here 88 is not a perfect square number. 88 कोई perfect square number नहीं है. We have to relate 88 with respect to the perfect square number. Okay. Perfect square numbers कौन से है? अभी 88 है. 88 के आगे और पीछे 88 के पहला वाला आपका perfect square number आता है 81. 9 9 जा 81. Okay. उसके पहले 81 के पहले अगर आप 8 का देखें तो 64 आता है, 7 का देखें तो 49 आता है. ओके. एंड देन 6 का देखें तो 36 आता है. ओके. तो हम लोगों को उसके साथ में रिलेट करना है. ये 16 के भी मल्टीपल में नहीं आता है, लेकिन ये 4 के मल्टीपल में आता है, तो हम लोग उसको लिखेंगे ऐसा 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 22. ओके, 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 22, आंसर इज 88, होल डिवाइडेड बाय 6. Therefore m is equals to -2 plus minus root 4 will be become a 2 under root 22 whole divided by 6. Therefore m is equals to -2 plus 2 root 22 whole divided by 6 or -2 root 22 whole divided by 6. Okay, so this is our final answer. We can take a 2 as a common, और common लेके आप उसको divide भी कर सकते हैं. आप आगे इसे ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, m is equals to, if we take 2 as a common, so -1 plus root 22, okay, whole divided by 6, or m is equals to, if we take a -2 common, so 1 plus root 22 whole divided by 6. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So we can write m is equals to -1 plus root 22 whole divided by 3, or m is equals to -1, अब हम इसका साइन चेंज कर देते हैं, -1 माइनस रूट 22 होल डिवाइडेड बाय 3, बिकॉज ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस है. सो वी कैन राइट दिस इज आवर आंसर, और वी कैन राइट दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर. तो इस प्रकार से आप लोग by using a formula method we can find out the value or roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so let's see next question, question number 4. So now let's see question number 4, which is 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equals to 0. We have given this equation in a general form, so write the equation as it is. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equals to 0. Now compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then we get value of a is equals to 5, value of b is equals to -4, and value of c is equals to -2. Okay, after getting the value, we are using here the variable m. So we know the formula for finding the value of roots or roots of the quadratic equation. So m is equals to, here it will be minus plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. 4 m is equals to minus b will be become minus in bracket b का value -4 plus minus under root b square, under root b square, so it will be -4 square, -4 into a का value है 5 and c का value है -2, whole divided by 2 multiplied by 5. So m is equals to minus and -4 will be become a +4 plus minus, ये minus minus ने positive कर दिया. Then next one plus minus as it is, under root -4 square, it will be become a 16, 4 into 5 20, 20 into 2 40, Okay, 20 into 2, 40. This is a minus and this is also minus. So it will be become a plus 40. Okay, whole divided by 2 into 5. Answer is 10. The next one, it will be m is equals to 4 plus minus under root 16 plus 40. Answer is equals to 56 whole divided by 10. Okay. The next one, now here we have to follow BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we can simplify this by using a 2. Okay. So here m is equals to, now we have to convert 56 into the perfect square number, but 56 is not a perfect square number. तो हम लोगों को उसको perfect square number के रिलेटेड लिखना होगा. यानी कि अगर कोई नंबर होगा जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर के साथ में इसका पार्ट होगा या फैक्टर होगा, उसके फैक्टर्स लिखने होंगे. 56 जो आपका ये होता है 16 वन 16, 16 टू 32, उसके इसमें भी नहीं आता है. देन नेक्स्ट वन 25 का फैक्टर है क्या? नहीं. इट इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 4. ओके, बिकॉज yes, it is a factor of 4. So therefore here it will be m is equals to 4 as it is plus minus under root 4 multiplied by 1 za 4 za 14 4 za 56 whole divided by 10. Then next one m is equals to, यहाँ पर मैं सिंप्लीफाई कर लेता हूँ. 2 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा 10. Okay, then next one 2 plus minus 2 root 14 whole divided by 5. Now it's time to separate. M is equals to 2 plus 2 root 14 whole divided by 5, or M is equals to 2 minus 2 root 14 whole divided by 5. Okay, this is our final answer. अब हम लोग यहाँ पर कॉमन लेके कुछ कर नहीं सकते क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर आपका 5 है, तो यही आपका फाइनल आंसर है. सो दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर. सो इसी तरह हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखा. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5? So this is the question number 5. Y square minus 1 by 3y is equals to 2. So here we have to solve this question by formula method. We have given the quadratic equation but it is not in a standard form. या आपका जो जनरल फॉर्म है उसमें नहीं है. So first of all convert the equation. Y square minus 1 by 3y minus 2 is equals to 0. अगर आपको ये फ्रैक्शन का दिक्कत है, सो वी कैन एलिमिनेट फ्रैक्शन. अगर आप फ्रैक्शन के साथ में मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो भी आपका ऑपरेशन है, मतलब जो फॉर्मूला मेथड है वो यूज कर सकते हैं, तो इट इज अ वेरी इजी और इट इज अ बेटर. लेकिन अगर आपको ये फ्रैक्शन का दिक्कत है, सो वी कैन एलिमिनेट दिस फ्रैक्शन बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग 3 ऑन बोथ साइड. अगर हम उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो दिस 3 विल बी eliminated. So let's start with the fraction. So here if we compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get what we get. A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 1 by 3 and C is equals to minus 2. Okay, therefore write the formula. Y is equals to minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC whole divided by 2A. Okay, so therefore Y is equals to value of b minus and value of b, that is a minus 1 by 3, it will be in a bracket. Then next one plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. The value of b is a minus 1 by 3 bracket square minus 4 into value of a is a 1 and value of c minus 2 whole divided by 2 multiplied by value of a is a 1. Then next one y is equals to minus in bracket minus 1 by 3 will be become a plus 1 by 3 plus minus under root square of minus 1, that will be a plus 1, square of 3 9. Now next one 4 into 1, answer is 4. 4 into minus 2 minus 8 and this minus will be become a plus 8. Okay, then next one whole divided by 2 into 1, answer is 2. Then next one y is equals to 1 by 3 as it is plus minus under root 1 by 9 plus 8. इसका डिनोमिनेटर 1 है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोगों को इसको ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो 1 by 9 plus 8, so it will be 1 plus 8 into 9. 1 plus 8 into 9 डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल किया और होल डिवाइडेड बाय 9. ओके, उसके बाद में इन सबको डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एज इट इज. देन नेक्स्ट वन y is equals to 1 by 3 plus minus under root 1 plus 8 into 9, answer is 72 whole divided by 9 and ये सबको divided by 2. Then next one 1 by 3 plus minus 1 plus 72, answer will be under root 73 divided by root 9, that is equals to 3. Okay, and whole divided by 2. Then next one y is equals to, now here we can add or we can subtract. So here now it's time to separate 1 by 3 plus root 73 whole divided by 3 and whole divided by 2, or here we can write y is equals to 1 by 3 minus root 73 divided by 3 whole divided by 2. Then next one y is equals to 1 plus root 73 divided by 3 and whole divided by 2, or y is equals to 1 by 1 minus root 73 whole divided by 3 और इन सबको divided by 2. Then next one we can convert this division into multiplication. तो इसका डिनोमिनेटर 1 है तो ये डायरेक्टली ऊपर न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. सो वी कैन राइट दिस वन y is equals to 2 in bracket 1 plus root 73 whole divided by 3, or y is equals to 2 in bracket 1 minus root 73 whole divided by 3. So this is our final answer of question number 5th. So in this way we can solve quadratic equation by using a formula method. Okay, तो इसी तरह से हम लोग formula method use करके ये question solve करते हैं. So let's see the 6th question. 5x square plus 13x plus 8. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equals to 0. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equals to 0. We have to solve this question by formula method. The given quadratic equation, it is in a already standard form. So write down the equation as it is. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equals to 0. Then compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get value of a is equals to 5, value of b is equals to plus 30 and value of c is equals to plus 8. Then next one, x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Therefore x is equals to, now put the values. So b का वैल्यू है आपका 13, so माइनस इन ब्रैकेट में ये 13 लिखता हूँ प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ओके b स्क्वेयर 13 स्क्वेयर minus 4 into value of a is a 5 and value of c is a 8. Okay, the next one whole divided by 2 multiplied by 5. Therefore x is equals to minus 13 here plus minus as it is under root 13 square is equals to 169. Okay, 4 into 5 20, 20 into 8, 20 into 8 answer will be 160 and this is a minus positive positive positive. यहाँ पर ये पहले हम लोगों ने ये पॉजिटिव लिया और ये नेगेटिव लिया, so answer will be minus 160 and whole divided by 2 5s are 10. Then next one, x is equals to minus 13 plus minus 160 minus 169 minus 160, answer will be under root 9 whole divided by 10. Then next one, x is equals to minus 13 plus minus under root 9 is equals to 3 whole divided by 10. Therefore now it's time to separate. Minus 13 plus 3 whole divided by 10 or x is equals to minus 13 minus 3 whole divided by 10. So x is equals to minus 13 plus 3, answer will be minus 10 divided by 10. Therefore x is equals to 1 minus 1, or similarly x is equals to minus 16 upon 10. So this will be x is equals to 16 and 10 both are divisible by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. So minus 8 upon 5. So in this way we can solve equation by using formula method. अगर आप लोगों को इसमें कुछ दिक्कत है, परेशानी है, तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके आपका जो प्रॉब्लम है वो आप एक बार पूछ सकते हैं. वी आर ऑलवेज फॉर यू. सो टुडे वी स्टॉप हियर, सी यू टुमारो. बाय बाय. तब तक के लिए मैथ्स इज लाइफ. प्यार प्लस करो, नफरत माइनस करो, सुख मल्टीप्लाई करो, दुख डिवाइड करो, लाइफ एंजॉय करो, हमेशा स्माइल करो. थैंक यू.